Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming card credentials and activation status. This saves time later. Call the issuer's support number on the card or visit their update portal and enter the card number, expiration, and CVV. You do this because the issuer must authenticate you before allowing profile changes. Once authenticated, make sure to note any pending balance or freeze flags so you don't lose funds. These affect which updates are permitted immediately. Next, log into the issuer's website or app using the card or assigned account. You need to register the card to attach personal details. You will enter your name and a billing address so merchants accept the card for online purchases. If asked, add a phone and email for verification. This strengthens security and enables password resets. Make sure to save changes and record any confirmation code. That proves the update processed successfully and prevents future declines. Finally, confirm the update by running a $0 authorization or a small charge to an online merchant. This verifies the billing info works. Once done, check your card dashboard for updated name, address, and registered email. If changes fail, call customer support with your confirmation code and ID. Ask them to clear any holds or re-authenticate you. A key troubleshooting tip: if transactions still decline, request a temporary replacement number or reissue to preserve the.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.